Get out of here. See, I don't open the cutouts around the neighborhood, you know. Neighbors hate that shit. Fix my mirror. Alright. That's also what I do for a living there. Drive trucks. I'm a local driver. So go ahead and traction control off. Nice. Cross right in the middle of the road. Closed. When we get towards the freeway, I'm gonna open them up. The car still runs good. Like I said, I had the car since 2018. No major issues with the car mechanically. Go ahead and take up on this Honda. Wait a little bit. I'm gonna start in first gear. Mobbing out here in Phoenix, but always gotta be careful looking out for cops. You know, be safe out here. You know, there are other drivers out here and shit, so I try to be careful. Yeah, I'm going close to where my barber lives. Can't put him on glass like that, but yeah, close to his house. Like listening from the cutouts, yeah, it's way quieter than what the issue actually is. Like I said, fun little car. You know, once I get it up to like the power and all that stuff, it's not gonna be like a daily. I already don't daily drive it that much now, since I truck drive, and the truck's close to the house. On and drive it like to go get food or something like that. Yeah. Still kind of loud with the wind. quiet over here. So. Get up there quick, but still not fast enough 5.0 Mustang. Like with the, you know, with the Coyote engines. RT like Chargers, Challengers from when they started coming out. I want to say like what, like 06 or 08 to like 2010, 2011. Those I haven't raced one of the new RTs yet, so I don't know what I'll do against that. Didn't know there's construction over here. Great. Trying to think what else. So the SRT 8s before the superchargers, no, because those are 425 to the crank. I raced one of those that was like a half car length ahead of me. That was before I did the cutouts. I'm trying to think. You know, definitely can't be a Hellcat. I'm trying to think what else I've raced. The RS Focus, you know, the turbo, they're about close to 300. Beat that. Beat a couple of WRXs, Subarus. That's about it. But I'll go ahead and end this. They pick up this food. Maybe I might cut it back on for another video on the way back, but I'm not sure yet. But thank you if you did tune in. There's more videos to come. Yeah, and hope you guys subscribe and like the video. Like I said, hopefully more videos to come for more G37 enthusiasts. All right, y'all have a good one. Bye.